Hi there, this is Maggie at Embodia, and today I'm going to walk you through direct billing and the TELUS eClaims integration on Embodia. Embodia allows you to submit both predetermination claims and live claims. A predetermination claim is useful to check the patient's coverage eligibility before providing a service. When you're ready to submit a claim, head over to the patient invoice page and on the right-hand side, click on New Claim. In the pop-up form, complete the required information. Once the basic information has been added in the claim page, you can now add all the services or products that are part of this claim. Click on Add an Item and fill out the pop-up form with the associated line item from the invoice, the service or product type, the quantity. This value should be in minutes for services and number of items for a product, the price or cost of the service or product. Once all the items have been added and you're ready to submit the claim to TELUS, check that you agree to the terms and conditions, that you obtained the authorization and consent from the patient, and then click on Submit to TELUS eClaims. This will submit the claim to TELUS, and within a few seconds, the insurer response will be displayed, and the patient invoice will be automatically updated according to the response. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@embodiaapp.com.